families, this week your children are going to be bringing home 2 strategies that we've been learning this week in math. We're going to be learning how to add and subtract using a place value chart and using a number line. Because these are new strategies, I anticipate your child might have some confusion, and I want you to understand how we've been learning so you'll be able to teach them. So I'm going to show you an example of each way so that you can help your child at home. We're going to start with the place value chart. So I'm going to start by showing you how to add 2 two-digit numbers using the place value chart. All right, so let's just take that problem 35 plus 52. 35 plus 52. Okay, the first thing that I need for your child to do is to create an HTO chart. That stands for hundreds, tens, and ones. The next thing that your child needs to do is go back to the problem and write TO above each number. That stands for tens and ones. If we had hundreds, we would put the H there also, but we're only working with 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers this week. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw out our first add-in. So we're going to draw out 35. And you can look at it and see exactly what to draw. If you look at your first number, there are 3 tens. So we need to draw 3 tens. Next, go to your next digit. There are 5 ones. So in your chart, draw 5 ones. Do the same thing for the second add-in. Ready? There are 5 tens. So come to your tens, where you see the T, and draw 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 ones. 1, 2. Now, add it all together. Start with your ones and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add your tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 87. We also want the children to be able to add vertically. So the next step is going to be to check what we have done by adding vertically. Have your child set the number up neatly, making sure that the digits are lined up. In class, I have taught the boys and girls to cover up the 10 side so that they know they need to begin adding with the 1 side. 5 plus 2, 7. Write your 7 directly below your ones. 3 plus 5 is 8. Your numbers should match. All right, now let me show you the place value chart strategy, but this time with subtraction. It's very similar. There is going to be a little different with the second number, but it's pretty similar getting started. So let's take the number 67. We're going to take away 34. Again, the first thing your child needs to do is draw the place value chart, the HTO. Next, label both numbers with your tens and your ones. We call that TO. TO. Now, just like before, we're going to take the minuend, or the first number, and we're going to draw it in our chart. So looking at it, clearly I can see I have 6 tens. So I'm going to draw 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's where it gets a little bit different. Instead of drawing the second number, because I'm not adding, I actually need to take away the second number. Start with the ones place and work your way in. I always tell the students to mark out the number so they know they've taken that number away. So we're going to take away 4 ones. Come over here and mark out 4 of your ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 3. So we're going to write the number 3 here. Do the same for your tens. We're going to take away 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 3. Write your 3 here. So 67, take away 34 equals 33. Just like with the addition, we want the students to be able to subtract it vertically as well. So make sure your child writes the numbers neatly and lines them up so that their subtraction will be correct. Have your student cover up the tens place with their hand so they're only working with the ones place. 7 take away 4 is 3, and 6 take away 3 is 3. Our answers match. Now the other strategy that we've been working on this week is using the number line. So let me show you a quick example of how we're adding and subtracting with our number lines. And I think it's important for you to hear the terminology that we use, because that's the same terminology your students are used to hearing, and it might help when you're working with them on their remote work. All right, let's start with an addition. All right, let's do 26 plus 35. You need your number line. Okay. The first step is going to be to circle the first add-in and place it on the left side of your number line. Now go to your second add-in. Label it T-O. Okay? We're going to move forward our tens first. According to our number, we have 3 tens. So I'm going to make 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. And because I'm moving 10, I'm going to write plus 10 inside each one. Now, let's count by tens. 26, 36, 46, 56. Now we're going to move our ones. We're going to make 5 humps because we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because we're only moving ones, we're going to write plus 1 inside each hump. Now let's count by ones. So 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. When you're done with all of your humps, you have your answer. Our answer is 61. All right, let me show you the same thing, but this time with subtraction. All right, let's take 88, take away 47. 88, take away 47. Draw your number line. Now, because we're subtracting, we're actually going to be starting on the other end of our number line and working backwards. So we're going to take our first number, our minuend, and this time we're going to place it on the right side of our number line. Okay? Now we're going to take our second number, our subtrahend. Go ahead and label it your tens and your ones. And we're going to do the same concept as before, except this time we're going to be going backwards. So I have 4 tens. So I'm going to make 4 humps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time I'm going to put minus 10 so that I know I'm counting backwards by 10. So 88, 78, 68, 58, 48. Now let's do the same for our ones. We have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And because we're moving back ones, we're going to put minus 1 in each hump. Ready? Let's count backwards. 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. When we get to the end of our humps, we have found our answer. So 88 take away 47 equals 41. Families, I hope this will help this week as you're beginning your remote work. Of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message, screenshot. I'll try to walk you through if you need any help. But I hope this video has been beneficial. Good luck. All right, talk to you later.